What if one photograph wasn't enough? In this painting, I deconstruct Neuschwanstein Castle into vertical slices, rearrange the image, and paint each section differently to create a watercolor that feels like multiple moments stitched together into a single composition. In the next few minutes, you'll watch the entire painting develop from start to finish while learning a powerful technique for controlling values. By dividing the composition into separate vertical sections and painting each one independently, you'll see how consistent values, not identical colors, hold an image together even when every section is treated completely different. For this painting of Neuschwanstein Castle, I had an idea in my head. I was going to deconstruct the image. Now, I started this in my Watercolor Again class, and when I told the students about this, they all looked at me like that, like they thought I was on drugs. And I swear I wasn't this time, but I'm just kidding. The idea was to paint each section independently of each other. So I used a lot of tape and masking fluid. I paint each section independently with different colors, but I was trying to keep the values almost the same. Then I put masking fluid down to the mountain area to preserve that value that I painted. I want to preserve that and a little bit into the sky so I didn't paint to the sky. Then I'm going to put an even wash of green across the entire painting. This is going to be the mountain in the background. You're still going to have those unifying colors underneath. There's going to be the differences in colors that I think will make it look different. Doing a lot of spattering, just using some color. I'm just trying to make it look like foliage. And, then what I'll do once this dries, I'm going to take off the masking fluid and I'll go back in. I'm going to paint each section again with the darker colors independently of each other using the tape to mask off things. I want this to look almost like it was like 3 pictures cut out and put together. And I think it does. I'm pretty happy with the results. It took me a little bit longer than I thought because, it's just a section by section painting. You got to think about the values. I'm always working from a black and white photograph. I don't care what the real life images, real life colors are. I want to make it my own interpretation. Then I went in and I finished and I painted the castle. And here's the final painting. I'm really happy with how this turned out. I want to experiment with this technique a little bit more, develop it, make it a little bit further. Hope you enjoyed this. Hope that makes sense. Even though each section of this painting was treated differently, the image still works because the values remain consistent. This experimental approach transforms a familiar scene into something far more personal and expressive, proving that watercolor isn't just about copying what you see. It's about finding new ways to tell the story. Enjoyed this content? Please hit subscribe. If you're interested in all the materials used in this painting, check out the YouTube description below. Thank you for watching, and happy painting.